What look are you wearing?
Ludo.
I have the Night Smoky Eyes and the Perfect Lip by Clara. And I really love it because I really love this look. It's so bold and it's just the personality being out. So I really like this look and you should try it as well.
You want to say something?
Absolutely. I think like everybody knows makeup is a girl's best friend and everybody likes to look confident and pretty. So Sephora has done an excellent job in bringing out the best of the products. And it's been a part of us with the Miss India since starting. So I'm really lucky. We're all really fortunate to be a part of the launch. And so I am wearing the perfect liner and dyeing with lips. So I think that's something that's accentuating. It's really looking good. So everybody should try that as well. Thank you.
Thank you so much. What look are you wearing?
So, hi guys, how excited are you? Woohoo! We are super excited though. We're in Mumbai now for a year and we have another store of Sephora. I think we're super excited and like they said, Sephora has been a part and will always be a part of our makeup products. And now I'm wearing the glamorous golden frame black smoky eyes. I think this is super cool and super nice because it's an all-time look, and the best part is Sephora gives us so many options in
of us. So because we know that Sephora has been with us since day one from the Miss India journey, and we're so glad to have a reliable product company with us such as Sephora, because you are always worried about what is going to happen to your face. So I think with Sephora having such reliable products, and you say whatever you try, so you can experiment, go out and give your best to whatever it is and feel confident with what you're wearing. So right now I'm wearing the perfect liner and diamond lips.
So super excited. I think Sephora, I have a very emotional bond. The first time I came to Mumbai, I went to the first store in Palladium and I was super excited. But now coming and launching it as a Miss India feels surreal. And we have a new beauty studio that we're launching for everyone. It's open. Guys, come out and try. There's 6 different looks and we 3 are wearing 3 right now. This is the golden frame black smoky eyes, and I think it's super nice for any glam look. So come down, guys. We're launching so many new other brands like Clara from Australia. So Sephora's bringing down all worldwide best products. So come down. It's your time.
Calm down. It's your turn. In what types of product purchasing are you today?
So today we're trying to experiment with our eyes and lips. We're so bored of doing the same routine looks, but Sephora is giving us expert advice on how to do newer looks and new eyes and new lip, how we can experiment with our own selves. So I think that's the best part.
Yes, absolutely. I think going out and trying something new, because eyes and lips are something that is always accentuated and is the first thing that is seen. So definitely bringing out and popping them up and making yourself look presentable is something that's very important, and that's what it's about.
क्या purchase करने वाले हैं आज?
What do you purchase?
What are you purchasing?
I actually want to get everything only because everything is just awesome here, and I really like the lipsticks and lip colors are just awesome, and I'm really liking it so much. There are a lot of new brands come down, and I really like the fragrances. A lot of other brands are here, so I don't know, I might end up paying, like getting everything and just emptying my wallet. Yeah.
And ये beautiful crown भी है आप लोग के सिर
Of
पे.
course.
Speak Hindi, anyone?
हाँ, बात करते हैं.
ये जो मिस इंडिया के बाद ये जो रास्ता जाता है वो बॉलीवुड की तरफ जाता है. बहुत सारे
सब यही क्यों पूछते हैं?
ओके.
नहीं, तो सब यही पूछते हैं कि क्या बॉलीवुड है, क्या टॉलीवुड है. नहीं, हमको अब बहुत सारा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है हमारे सर पे. लिटरली हमको इंटरनेशनल जाना है, और जैसे मनोषी चिल्लर ने एक मिस वर्ल्ड का क्राउन जिता के लेकर आया है, फिर से हमको भी वापस लेके आना है और इंडिया को बहुत प्राउड करना है. एंड Sephora's being a big part of it, I think we're gonna have the perfect looks. इंटरनेशनल पे भी हम रॉक करेंगे स्टेज को.
इंटरनेशनल पर भी रॉक करने वाले आप.
Yes, of course. I'm representing India in the Miss World this year, and Manushi has got the crown after 17 years, and it's my responsibility to keep it here this year. So I'm really working hard for it, and Sephora is playing a major role in it, of course. So yeah, let's hope for the best.
Any plan? Bollywood?
Bollywood? Actually, no, as of now, because I have a really huge responsibility. It's India being represented and not individual. So I'm just concentrating on the Miss World crown, and I'm just focusing on it. And future, let's see, let's hope for the best, and I'm keeping the opportunities open.
आई थिंक एज अ मिस इंडिया आप जो चाहो कर सकते हो. बॉलीवुड ही क्यों, यू कैन गो इनटू जो भी आपको करना है. मैं एक डेंटल स्टूडेंट हूँ, तो आई थिंक एक डॉक्टर, अगर मैं आगे जाके डॉक्टर बनना चाहूँ वो कर सकती हूँ. अगर बॉलीवुड हो तो आई थिंक बहुत सारी एंडलेस अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं. मिस इंडिया सिर्फ एक चीज़ को रिस्ट्रिक्ट नहीं करता, बट बहुत सारे अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ को ओपन करता है. एंड आई थिंक जैसे कि बाकी सब ने कहा, इंटरनेशनली रिप्रेजेंट करना है. सो दैट इज़ आवर ओनली फोकस, एंड वील ट्राई एंड गिव 200% उस चीज़ को, एंड वील मेक अस प्राउड. सो एवरीबडी,
Thank you. Thank you so much. And come down to my store.
Few seconds. क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज के
आज हम बहुत खुश हैं, एक्साइटेड हैं। ये हमारा 5th स्टोर है बॉम्बे में एंड उसको इनाग्रेट करने के लिए ऑल द 3 ब्यूटीज़ आर हियर एंड वी वेलकम अनुकृति, मीनाक्षी एंड श्रेया ओवर हियर एंड वी ऑल्सो टेक दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू विश देम ऑल द बेस्ट। इनकी पूरी जर्नी में हम इनके साथ रहे हैं, जब से मिस इंडिया का ऑडिशन शुरू हुए और जब फिनाले तक और अब भी, तो एंड इनके साथ ही हम रहेंगे। बेस्ट विशेस इनके साथ रहेंगी हमारी। लास्ट ईयर भी जब मानुषी ने जीता था तो वो हमारे स्टोर में आई थी, हमारे स्टोर से उन्होंने कॉस्मेटिक्स खरीदे थे और वो लेके वो अपने किट में गई थी और मिस वर्ल्ड बन के आई थी। सो यू नो इट इज़ लाइक अ टेम्पल फॉर देम, सो दे आर कम हियर टू ग्रेस द ओकेजन।
आई थिंक ये बहुत ही लकी है सब किट में लेके गई थी और मिस वर्ल्ड बन गई। और क्योंकि यहाँ पे जितने भी प्रोडक्ट हैं इन सभी को बहुत ही जरूरत पड़ने वाली है, तो कितना गिफ्ट करने वाले आपकी तरफ से?
हम इनको हरदम हर स्टेप पे देते आए हैं, यू नो हर स्टेप पे इनको बताते भी आए हैं कि हमारे नए लुक्स क्या हैं और कैसे उनको यूज़ करना है। तो आई थिंक दे आर लाइकिंग इट। जैसे अभी आते ही इन्होंने आपको बताया कि इन्होंने तीनों ने 3 डिफरेंट लुक्स पहने हुए हैं एंड सो दैट्स व्हाट Sephora is. Sephora talks about creating new looks, how to create those new looks, which products to use for those looks. So we keep advising, you know, and then if somebody likes it, they buy it.
क्योंकि 3 ब्यूटीज भी आपके साथ हैं, तो इन फ्यूचर और क्या कुछ प्लान होने वाला आपकी तरफ से?
No, we are always with them and you know now they are all getting ready to go for the international competition. So wherever our help is required, we will come and help them, you know, in terms of getting them ready for the pageant and bring laurels for India back.